Hello everyone, it's me Deva Vrandre and welcome to Team Yellow Dragons. So in this video, we are going to create a to-do application, a to-do website, and that's going to be incomplete. This is the part one, where user can need to make can add a to-do. So let's get started. I've created this as my index.html, and now let's do the JavaScript, and I'm going to make a function right away, and I'm going to make this to do function. Here we go. And I'm going to say let input, and let's set that to be prompt, and that will be add to do. Here we go, and yeah, a semicolon. Here we go, and now I'm going to say let h1, and that should be a document. Oops. Dot create element, and let's set this to just h1. Here we go. Oops. Okay, so here we go, and now let's say let input, and let's set oops, not input, let's say final text, and let's set this to input just so that it doesn't repeat, and let's set let, and let's make a text node. That's going to be document dot create text node, and let's set this to just here we go. Let's set let. Okay, so now we don't need any lets. Now set h1, set attribute, and this should be id, and text. And let's say h1 dot append child, and this append child over here should have text node. Now let's set document dot get element by id, and let's set this to text dot append child, and this should be h1. So here we go. Now this should be working. I'm going to just run this with live server, and it should work. Like, there's no reason it should not work. So here we go. It is working. Now it is a to do, and this was just part one. In the next tutorial, I will be showing you how to remove it by just double clicking it. and we'll be even doing the style. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and ring the bell for instant notifications.